hair and moisture that like this. 5 and 6. So guess what today is? Today is hair day. Okay, hello. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing my hair. It's been a while. I will be treating my hair today, but before then I'll have to detangle it first. So I just took down the braids, or is it the twist I had? So I just took down the braids I had, the twists rather I had on my hair. The root is knotted. The hair I made for my trip to Morocco, it was so itchy. I think because the place was so hot, so the dust, product, heat, everything mixed together. It was so itchy that I had to wash it. So I washed my hair while I had the twist on. Everything just tangled and knotted. So I'm trying to treat my hair. I want to do honey mask on my hair. For over a year now, I have not really taken care of my hair the way I used to. I know that in Nigeria, I used to take care of my hair so much. I was thinking when I come to the UK, the weather is going to be perfect. It's going to be okay. My hair will be fine, blah, blah, blah. I came here and it's a struggle. During the winter, you're struggling to cover your hair. Don't let it dry out, this, that. And then now I'm struggling with so many things. So this is a period for me to actually let my hair breathe. I need to let my hair breathe. It is my responsibility to let my hair breathe. First off, I will start with detangling. I need to detangle the hair one after the other and then do the honey mask. So that is what today is all about. Hair day. Treat my hair and do some self-care, soak myself in the bath, things like that. Before I get right to the video, I'm gonna sip a drink, get some energy to start. So I made this drink. Since coming back from Morocco, I've been checking out drinks because in the bar there, they had series of drinks, different kind of drinks that I can't even remember the names. And I came back, I decided to start trying out 1 or 2 drinks with the ingredients I have in the fridge. So I've got blackberry mojito. I topped it with just a little bit of vodka to have that alcohol effect in it, but it's fine. It's my just Sprite and all. So I'm gonna have a sip. Oh my god! As if I should finish the drink. So starting off, I've got my clips. This is the detangler. Usually I use leave-in conditioner and water to detangle my hair, or I use oil. And then I've got water. So I take it 5 at a time. Okay. That was easy. Okay. I'm gonna keep it and see how much hair I shed in this. Oh, 1 down, 38 to go. The worst thing you can do is getting into the shower with an untangled hair. Your sink is not going to be happy. Your bathtub or your bathroom is not going to be happy. Even your hair is not going to be happy. And you yourself is not going to be happy because everywhere is going to be filled with hair. So it's ideal before you enter the shower, before you wash your hair, always detangle. So take your time, detangle, walk through your hair. When I detangle my hair, it's as if I and my hair, we are communicating. I get to see what's wrong with the hair. Is it even healthy? I recently trimmed my hair. I was having split ends, so I had to trim the hair. Again, I go with water. I see water as the main ingredient for detangling. Once I apply water on my hair and maybe top it up with oil, it loses by itself. So main thing is water. You can never get it wrong with water. Always water. Water is like a food to my hair and moisture. I like this. 5 and 6. So this is a wake-up call for you. If you've not treated your hair, this is the time for you to show your hair love. Be motivated like I am motivated now to touch my hair. Yeah, pretty easy. Water, detangler, everything just goes boom on its own. Just use your fingers to walk your way through it. See, just from one hair. God, her hair is shedding so badly. It needs some love. I think it's lacking protein. So I'm not going to be doing protein treatments today. It should be some other day. So when you're detangling, you shouldn't have difficulty combing your hair. Be generous with water. Be generous with your detangler. If you're using oil, be generous with it. Yeah, just be generous with whatever you're using to detangle your hair. It's very key. You don't want your hair matting, getting all knotted when you're washing it. Let me do the rest and I'll see you. Okay? So I'm back and it's time to mask my hair. So I'm going to be doing honey mask. Yeah, honey mask. So I mixed the honey with some oil. This is oil. There is castor oil, olive oil, and argan oil. And I'll be adding some honey to it. So there's so many benefits of using honey mask on your hair. First, it softens your hair and it restores shine to your hair, moisturizes your hair. If your hair is dry, honey will kind of help it to moisturizes it, both the hair and the scalp, and it reduces hair breakage as well. Just a natural product. Use honey. You know what you're mixing, what you're putting on your hair. It's just like a conditioner, a hair softener, reduces hair breakage, increases the shine on your hair, and reduces frizz as well. The next one I want to start doing is also clay masking. That one is fine as well. I'll start doing that also on my hair. This is the part I like most. massaging my scalp. Imagine when someone is not doing it for you. Oh my god, it feels good to massage the scalp. This front part, my edges, they've been seeking my attention and I've been neglecting it. Okay. Time to wrap it up. Extra coverage. So I'll leave this on for 30 minutes and wash it up. I use the dryer to apply some heat on it so that it steams it up, because this is honey max, and at the same time I added oil to it. If I was doing hot oil treatment, I usually prefer the oil to be warm, to be absorbed by the hair. So I'm just going to apply the same method, apply some warm heat on it and allow the hair to absorb it. I'll leave this on for 30 minutes and wash it off with shampoo, condition, wash it again, and then apply leave-in conditioner, and the hair is done. If I had a steamer, it would have been easier, but I don't have a steamer, so I have to make do with what I have, and this is what I've got. So just apply some heat, let the hair heat up a bit, leave it under the cap and wash it off. So this is pretty warmed up now, holding the heat. So this is just to trap in the heat and let it sink into my hair. I'll wait for 30 minutes and wash it off. I said I was going to have this on for 30 minutes, but I had it for 40 instead, overdue to be washed out. It's still kind of warm. So it's shampoo time now. Wash it. Gonna be generous generous with it. So the conditioner is not meant to stay. Once I'm done shampooing, next thing is just apply some conditioner on it and then wash it off maybe 5 to 10 minutes later. It's not supposed to be in the hair for a long time. Okay, once I wash this off, I'll apply leave-in conditioner and seal it in with some oil. So I'm just using this to trap the heat as usual. Okay, time to go wash this off. See ya. Okay, so I've rinsed off the co-wash, that's the conditioner, and I'm about to apply the leave-in conditioner. So this one, I'm not going to rinse this one out, it's just going to be in the hair. Again, generous natural hair. Immediately water touches it, it will just shrink. The more I leave it, the more it shrinks. So keep going down and be like, look what. In as much as I want to do wash and go, just have to ensure that it's not tangled. I'm just going to be running my fingers through it. This is black castor oil. Just going to be applying black castor oil to it to seal in the moisture and the conditioner to my hair. So water, leave-in conditioner, and oil. I love pour hair too. It's easy. It's my go-to hairstyle, but sometimes I just want to tweak. I don't like doing so many manipulations on my hair. And again, I use dryer today because I'm just trying to make the process faster. Usually I air dry my hair. When I detangled my hair, this came out of it. When I washed my hair, this came out of it. So this is the hair that came out of my hair. Hair shedding is normal, but when it's excess, there is something wrong. That is why I think something is wrong with my hair, because look at the quantity of hair that came out of my hair. It's a lot. It's a lot. But it's kind of hair shedding, it's not breakage, because the length of it is almost the length of my hair. But when it's hair breakage, you will see that the hair is not long, it's short. But when you look at the strand of the hair that came out of my hair, is long, almost the same length as my hair. So right now I'm done with hair and it's time to go take care of myself, soak myself in the bath, and catch up on 1 or 2 films on Netflix and relax. Okay, yep. Thank you for watching. Bye.